More than 73% of professionals over 40 feel completely lost when it comes to digital marketing. But the top 27% who figured it out are now making 60% more money. So, here's what happened. I met this guy named Robert at a coffee shop last month. He's 52, worked in sales for 20 years, and he looked completely defeated. He told me he just got passed over for a promotion because the company wanted someone who understood digital marketing. But here's what's crazy. 3 months later, I ran into Robert again. Same coffee shop. But this time, he was different. Confident. He told me he just landed a marketing director role at a tech startup. His salary, 40% higher than his old job. What changed? He discovered something most people over 40 don't know exists. You see, while everyone's trying to learn digital marketing from courses made for 20-year-olds, there's actually a completely different approach. Designed specifically for mature professionals, it's called the Age-Adapted Learning Method. And it works, because it doesn't treat you like a college kid. It builds on the decades of business experience you already have. Robert learned Facebook ads in 2 weeks. Not because he became a tech genius overnight, but because someone finally explained it in terms that made sense to his sales background. Here's the thing that blew my mind. The professionals who figure this out aren't just keeping up with younger colleagues. They're actually outperforming them. Because while a 25-year-old knows how to use Instagram, a 45-year-old knows how to read people. And that's everything in marketing. But here's what nobody talks about. By 2025, companies will be desperately looking for digital marketers who understand both technology and human psychology. That's where experience becomes your superpower. The question isn't whether you can learn digital marketing at your age. The question is, will you be leading the digital marketing team or watching someone half your age get promoted above you? If you're ready to lead and finally make your experience count in the digital world, there's a link in the description that shows you exactly where to start. Robert took the first step. Now it's your turn.